So I saw this video of Mr. Beast, and he filmed it when he was still in high school. So he filmed it in 2015, and then he scheduled it to go up on YouTube 5 years later. Talking about the future, hopes he has 1 million views, and I don't know, he had like thousands of views at that point. So I got to thinking, I'm a YouTuber. Okay.
Cut! No, Rickster, darling. We are shooting a travel vlog, not The Walking Dead. We need to show some enthusiasm. So let's do it again. Show a little bit more enthusiasm, okay? I know you got this, darling. Crane point, take 2.
And I thought, let me do the same thing. Except I'm 61 years old, so I'm not going to push it 5 years out. I'm going to go 2 years out. So I want to talk about some of our YouTube channels. So the main one is Cargo On, and that's about cargo conversion trailers and some of our travels. We've got like 1.6 thousand views, a little over 200 videos. So I'm hoping it grows. It's been growing, so we'll see where it goes. 2 other channels. One is called Teenagers Now, which talks about being a teenager. That's like basically brand new, and I've hardly done any work to it. There's like 10 subscribers on that. And then the latest one is one I'm having a lot of fun with. It's called Get Into Sharon Shorts, and it's just fun short videos. That's all it is. I'm excited about that. I have a lot of fun doing that. So that's what I want to see, how this is going to be in 2 years. So I'm going to tape this video today. It is July 25th, 2022. So on 7/5/2024, this is going to upload. And Mr. B said the same thing. He was like, what if I die? What if I'm not here in 5 years? I'm thinking the same thing. I hope I don't die in 2 years and I'm gone before this thing airs. If I am, well, hey, I had a good run. Hopefully I'll be able to watch this video, and I'm hoping to see some improvement and growth. So this is kind of like an experiment. Let's see what happens. I'm not expecting to be Mr. Beast, but I want to be like Grandma Beast or Old Lady Beast.
You're crazy.
I'm not going to say I'm going to have 1 million subscribers, but I would really like to see my channels take off. So let's see where we are in 2024. I'll see you down the road, guys.